Hi friends! Today I wanted to quickly unbox my Let's Checkmate Labubu. He's very cute and adorable. I love that he has brown fur and red nose and blue eyes. At first I wanted to keep him in his box, just display it somewhere in the house, but I don't really like the way his eyes are so spread apart, and as you know they're movable, so you can position them in a different way once you get him out of the box, and I figured he could look so much better and cuter with his eyes pointing in the same direction. So instead of keeping him in his box forever, might as well pull him out. That way I can play with him and enjoy him more. So let's do that. And we have this cute little card here. Let's pull it out carefully. Ta-da! Now he's out of his box and I can do this. See what I'm saying? In my opinion, this looks so much better than before. And then I can move them this way, any way you want. So cute. He's got this little crown on his head. The fur's super soft. Adorable. Let's remove the box. So you can keep a ring here. And now I need to figure out how to remove him from the box. I guess I'm gonna cut off these. Ta-da! Release the Labubu from its box. All right, let's take the plastic off. His little paws and his feet. She looks absolutely perfect and super cute. Good quality. No defects that I can tell so far. Super cute. The fur is soft and fluffy. Here's the 360. So cute! Okay, let's straighten out the legs. So he can stand as well as sit. And here I wanted to show you guys the size comparison with the Flip With Me Labubu. They appear to be the same exact size. Couldn't help myself, it's so fun to play with these eyes. But yeah, they look to be the same. Cute twins. And also I was curious about removing this cloak. Doesn't he look a lot like the secret one from the macaroon series? The only difference is that the eyes are blue, but the color combo of brown fur and red nose, I find that to be so cute. It's like a giant secret Labubu. So I've seen that some people remove the hat, the little crown, but it looks pretty tightly attached. I'm not really sure how would I go about removing it. Maybe in the future I will, not right now. Yeah, I would need to figure out how to do that. And then as far as this color goes, it's just velcroed on, so we can take that off as well. Look at this cute little butt. Oh my god, that's so funny. It's like sticking out. I wonder if all of them have that. Guys, let me know if you have this particular one, if his butt is also like protrudes that much, or is it just mine? Because it's like really funny. It's like poking out. It feels like it's like a beanbag, like stuffed with something. Alright, so here we go. This was the quick unboxing of my do I think this is my favorite Labubu so far? I have Flip With Me that I really like, and also Angel in Clouds Zimomo. Honestly, out of all of these, I'm not sure I could pick a favorite, but he might become my favorite. Who knows? He's super cute. I like him a lot. I think we're gonna have some good time playing together. I can't believe I'm saying that as a fully grown adult, but I guess, I mean, I hope that's normal. I know for sure I'm not the only millennial that's playing with these Labubus, so maybe it's just our collective millennial quirk. But yeah, we like our toys. So that's that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna put his little outfit back. Cute. Oh, and I forgot to show you guys the tag, which is right here. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, you can give it a like. And I will see you guys in my next videos. Bye bye.